Jamaican women are the wickedest women in the world.
Them wicked.
That Jamaican women, even though they are married and are in long-term committed relationships, they are having sex with multiple partners. So all this time, the woman them that gaslight we. All this time when I say, oh, the Jamaican man them wicked. And yet we are the jacket country of the world. A woman not get jacket, you know. A man can't get jacket.
All right, for anyone that don't understand what jacket mean, you know, it's like when a woman says that she's pregnant for you, but really she's pregnant for somebody else, and you, the sucker MC that sits there and takes care of kids that are not yours, thinking that they're yours, bro. That's the worst. So that's what they mean in Jamaica when they